Hello, this is Sarah from addon.com. In the last video we showed how to create the different tests using the Test Expander add-on. In this final video we will take a look how the student receives and opens the test, and how the teacher can see the test results. When we created all the tests, the add-on sent each student an email according to the list we gave it in the Google Sheets file. This is the mail the student receives. Notice it has the subject title and the content we gave it in the last video. A word of warning. Sometimes students will tell you they didn't receive the email. Ask them to go to their spam folder to find it. The reason for that is because Test Expander sends bulk messages, and Gmail detects it automatically as spam. Ask the students to mark it as not spam. And in time, Gmail will learn to send it to the ordinary mailbox. Open the mail, you can see all it has is a link to the test. All the student needs to do is press the link and start answering the test. The students complete the tests and send you their answers. Of course, we really recommend that you limit the time they can complete the test. It doesn't matter whether you are in classroom or teach from a distance, limit them to 3-4 minutes and by that, reduce their ability to copy. The last thing we want to show you is how to see the students' results. Go to the Google Drive where you created the test. You can have a behind-the-scenes look at how the add-on works. You can see that the add-on created a different test for each of the students that were on the list. In this example, we used just 3 student names to reduce processing time, but if you have 25 or more students in your class you will see 25 new files. You can also see that there is an additional Google Sheet document created by the add-on. If you open the Google Sheet, you can see that every student has one tab on the bottom. If you want to examine what the student mistakes were, you can do this via this Summary tab. To see a convenient summary of all the grades, go to the Results tab where you can see the names and the grades of all the students. And another very important thing. Besides the student's name and grade, you can see the link that the student got on email. So if a student tells you he or she didn't get an email for some reason, all you have to do is look it up in this tab and send them the link via mail or WhatsApp. In this video we saw what our students see when they receive the test, and how we see their grades after they completed the test. To finish off this series of videos, allow me to say, we created this add-on to help teachers create tests effectively. And although some of you might think using the add-on is too complicated, after using it myself several times, let me assure you, you just need to get used to it. After using it 3-4 times, it will become natural to you. I was Sarah from addon.com. Thank you for following along. Goodbye.